There was shock and anger in Walker's Hill in Red Hill, St. Andrew today after a machete-wielding man beheaded a resident and injured several others. Kirk Wright was in the area and filed this report.
The killing of Philip Bennett, or Dalphus as he was affectionately known, dominated discussions when we arrived in the area Friday morning.
Mr. Dalphus a good man. Him no get trouble, nothing at all. Him just drove all. Him run him like a joke, and this just devastated. Me dramatized right now because me never did look for this. This just sad.
Residents say the bizarre action of the accused man came as a surprise, describing him as a quiet individual who has never before displayed signs of violence.
I know both persons, easygoing. The young man that did this trapping this morning, I know him very well. He always passed with the machete going to work and coming from his work. But I know he trouble with fits. So I said to him there last week, stop walking with the sharp machete because you can fall on it and hurt yourself. But I didn't know this would happen.
Did he respond?
Him smiling, he's always smiling. A smile and gone, but him with him business. But he's always calling to you. When you see him call to me, he never pass and don't call to me at the shop.
We were further told that the accused was a pig farmer and that he would often greet persons at the shop when he purchased feed for the animals. Now the residents have been left to wonder what triggered his actions.
Something get up and something come in. I don't know what happened to him this morning. But some demons or something come over him this morning.
What he did this morning? Tell us.
Well, I wasn't here. My husband come down and said dead man living at the window there, sir. And I heard a gunshot further down the road, and they said somebody was scaring me because he attacked somebody else down there. But they were scaring him off.
It's understood that a policeman fired the gunshots in an attempt to scare the accused who was attempting to attack other persons on the roadway. In the end, he only managed to inflict wounds to one other person who the police say was chopped on the shoulder. Our sources say the attacker, who is in police custody, has been saying he's unaware of his actions. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.